Imagine you are at the restaurant. You check the menu and place an order, but you don't go into kitchen yourself, right? The waiter acts like an API. You give your order, the waiter takes it to the kitchen and then brings back your food. If I want to say simple, waiter is API and kitchen is server. Now let's apply this to apps. When you order food using an app, the app doesn't store all the restaurant data. It asks a server for it. But how does the app communicate with the server? It sends a request through an API, and the API returns the needed information. For example, when you request a restaurant menu, the API might return something like this. APIs aren't just for food apps, they help apps weather updates, show maps, or even log you into a website using Google or Facebook. Without APIs, apps wouldn't be able to talk to each other. So next time you order food, check the weather or send a message. Thank APIs for making it possible.